guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing I'm shaking this and talking to you. Well,
you know what?
Today I am doing a college cleanup. It is spring break for Spelman, but unfortunately for me, because I teach in Fulton County, or a student teach in Fulton County, I don't have a spring break and I have to wait until my kids are out. I will be cleaning this Saturday. Chill out, clean your room if you need to clean your room, and let's be productive together. Barely looks clean. It's just kind of junky. This laundry to do. I have things on my bed. I just need to organize some stuff. It just is a bit junky because I have such a small space. Something I like to do is get my laptop and take it with me to wash because I like to watch YouTube videos while I put my clothes in the dryer. I should have just time-lapsed the video. Like, why did I record the whole thing? Don't know. I don't know. So far, I put my clothes in the washing machine, threw my trash away, cleaned the bathtub. I hate cleaning the bathtub with a passion. Washed my dishes, put them away, rearranged my dishes, wiped down my mirrors. Now I have to work on my room. Let's get back to work. Oh my gosh, guys, forgot to record an outro, but thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it or enjoyed it. Let me know down below. Bye. Until I love you, I love you, I love you. Until I find the way.